Globant Enterprise AI provides an intuitive interface to interact with the different assistants defined in a project. This interface enables effective communication and ensures optimal use of the resources allocated to the project. From the platform, the Playground option provides access to this front end. The screen displayed is divided into three main sections. The navigation header that includes user information, project management, and general settings. The side menu, where assistance and conversation history are managed. The context layout, which is the central area where the main interaction with the selected assistants takes place. The navigation header is located at the top and includes the following components. The project selector, where we choose the project to work on, information, where we choose the project to work on, and the end user information, which displays the user's photo, the organization name, and a drop-down menu with several options. It is possible to select the preferred language to use in the interface. If we work with multiple organizations, we can switch between them. We can also securely end the work session and toggle between light and dark mode. Now let's take a look at this side menu, where several functions are grouped to manage the assistants. This menu can be collapsed or expanded depending on the need to maximize the workspace. From this new conversation option, it is possible to start a new chat. A window then opens, showing all the available assistants. The panel is organized into the following components. Favorite assistants, which displays the list of assistants marked as favorites. Next, the assistants list, where we can see all available assistants. This is particularly useful when we need to explore all assistants in the selected project. And the conversations panel, where we can manage all conversations, organized into three tabs: History, Pinned, and Search. From the History tab, we can access the full chat history, organized alphabetically. In addition, chats are grouped by time periods to facilitate navigation. In this section, we can perform the following actions. Rename conversations. To do this, we click on the chat name. Select the pencil icon and edit the name. Finally, we confirm the change by pressing Enter or clicking on the check mark. To pin the conversation, we click on the pin icon and the conversation will automatically appear in the corresponding tab. To unpin a conversation, we click on the crossed out pin icon and the conversation disappears from the tab. As for the Search tab, it allows us to find specific conversations, which is the main section where we view and manage both the available assistants and the active conversations Enterprise AI in Globant Enterprise AI. Selecting an assistant displays the active conversation with that assistant. For example, to request a detailed product description, we select the Marketing Assistant assistant. In the chat box, we type the message following the assistant's instructions. To send this message, we press Enter or click on the send arrow. We request the description of mobile phone. OK. Each assistant is displayed as a card with its name and a short description. If the description is too long, a Read More option will be displayed. Clicking on Read More opens a modal window in the same browser showing the full description of the assistant and providing more details without leaving the current page. In addition, each assistant card has a star icon. Clicking on it marks the assistant as a favorite. As mentioned earlier, assistants marked as favorites are automatically added to the Favorite Assistants section of the side menu, making them easy to access. Now let's look at the top section of the central area. Here we see the open conversations or interactions with assistants organized into tabs. These tabs allow us to quickly switch between interactions. And each tab includes a close option to end the interaction with a specific assistant when it's no longer needed. Finally, it's important to note that if the selected assistant is part of a flow, it will not start running when Playground is opened. It will only start after the user sends the first message of the conversation.